Are you struggling to choose the best laptop for your needs? With so many options on the market, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. From the sleek Ultrabooks to the high-powered gaming rigs, the world of laptops is more diverse than ever. But remember, the key to making the right choice is understanding your own needs and preferences. What will you primarily use the laptop for? What's your budget? Fear not, this video will ease your struggle and guide you through a step-by-step process. Scene script. First things first, understanding your needs is crucial in choosing the right laptop. Let's dive right in. The magic phrase here is, know thyself, or in this case, know thy needs. You see, the laptop market is vast and varied, brimming with a multitude of options tailored for different types of users. Some laptops are built for speed, others for portability, and yet others for their prowess in handling demanding applications. Therefore, the first and most vital step in your laptop hunting journey is to identify what you need the laptop for. Are you a gamer who needs a machine with a robust graphics card and rapid refresh rate? Or perhaps you're a digital artist requiring a laptop with a color-accurate display and powerful processor? Maybe you're a student or a professional who primarily needs a laptop for research, writing, and presentations, in which case portability and battery life might be your top priorities. The key here is to realize that one size doesn't fit all. The best laptop for a video editor won't necessarily be the best option for a software developer. That's why understanding your needs is so essential. It helps you focus on the features that matter most to you, thereby narrowing down your choices and making the selection process less overwhelming. Moreover, knowing your needs can also help you avoid overspending on features you don't need. For instance, if you're only going to use your laptop for browsing, streaming, and basic productivity tasks, you don't need to shell out for a high-end model with a top-tier processor and massive amounts of RAM. In contrast, if you're into heavy gaming or professional-grade video editing, then investing in a laptop with a powerful graphics card, a top-notch processor, and ample storage would be well worth it. Remember, a laptop is an investment, and like any other investment, it should be based on careful consideration and thorough understanding of your needs. Once you've determined your needs, the next step is to consider your budget. The next step to consider in choosing your laptop is setting your budget. It's essential to know how much you're willing to spend before diving into the sea of options. This will help you narrow down the choices and prevent you from overspending. Remember, more expensive doesn't always mean better. There's a common misconception that you need to break the bank to get a high-performing laptop. That's not always the case. There are plenty of affordable options out there that offer great performance. You don't necessarily need the latest model with all the bells and whistles. Often, last year's model, or a less popular brand, can give you the same performance at a fraction of the price. Remember, it's about finding the best laptop for your needs, not the most expensive one on the market. With your budget set, the next step is to consider the specifications. The specifications of a laptop are key factors in determining its performance. Diving into the heart of a laptop, we have the processor. Think of it as the laptop's brain. A superior processor means faster and smoother operations. It's the very component that runs your operating system and every application you use. The better the processor, the more tasks your laptop can handle simultaneously without a hiccup. Next in line is the random access memory, more commonly known as RAM. It's your laptop's short-term memory. The more RAM your laptop has, the more data it can store for quick access, resulting in smoother multitasking and faster application loading times. Moving on, we have storage. There are two types of storage: hard disk drives, HDDs, and solid-state drives, SSDs. HDDs are slower and bulkier but offer more storage at a lower price. SSDs, on the other hand, are faster and more reliable, but come at a higher cost per gigabyte. Your choice here depends on whether you prioritize speed or storage capacity. Let's not forget the graphics card. If you're into gaming, video editing, or any graphic-intensive work, a dedicated graphics card is a must. It'll render images, videos, and animations smoothly, enhancing your overall visual experience. Finally, we have the display. The size, resolution, and type of display can significantly impact your user experience. A larger screen with higher resolution will offer a better view, but it may also add to the laptop's weight. If you're a professional graphic designer or a movie buff, you might want to go for a high-resolution display. Each of these components plays a crucial role in your laptop's performance. Depending on your needs, you might prioritize one over the other, but it's essential to strike a balance. A powerful processor won't do much good if you don't have enough RAM to support it, and a high-resolution display won't be of much use if your graphics card can't handle it. Once you understand the specifications, it's time to consider the brand and operating system. The brand of a laptop and its operating system can greatly influence your user experience. Now let's delve into the world of laptop brands. Each brand has its unique strengths. For example, brands like Apple and Dell are known for their robust build quality and excellent customer service. HP and Lenovo, on the other hand, offer a wide range of options catering to various user needs. Acer and Asus are well regarded for their cost-effective models that don't compromise on performance. However, a laptop is more than just a brand. It's also about the operating system that powers it. The operating system is the heart of your laptop. It's what allows you to interact with your device and run applications. The three main players in the operating system market are Windows, macOS, and Linux. Windows, developed by Microsoft, is the most widely used operating system. It's known for its flexibility, as it supports a vast array of software and is compatible with most hardware. This versatility makes Windows a great choice for a wide variety of users, from gamers to business professionals. Next up is macOS, Apple's proprietary operating system. macOS is praised for its sleek design, seamless integration with other Apple devices, and strong security features. If you're a creative professional or if you already have an iPhone or an iPad, a MacBook running macOS could be a solid choice. Last but not least, we have Linux. Unlike Windows and macOS, Linux is open source, meaning it's free and customizable. It's a favorite among developers and tech enthusiasts who enjoy having full control over their operating system. Remember, the operating system you choose should align with your needs and preferences. Each operating system has its own learning curve, so consider your comfort level with technology as well. After considering the brand and operating system, the final step is to read reviews. Reading reviews can provide valuable insights and help you make the final decision. Now, we're getting into the juicy bit, delving into what others think about the laptops you've shortlisted. Reviews can be a goldmine of information, offering a glimpse into the real-world performance and reliability of a laptop. So, where does one find these trustworthy reviews? A great place to start is on popular e-commerce sites where verified users share their experiences. Look for reviews that are detailed and balanced, as they tend to give a more accurate picture. Tech-oriented websites and forums also provide in-depth reviews and user experiences. But remember, while positive reviews can give you confidence in your choice, negative reviews should not be ignored either. They can reveal potential issues that are not mentioned in the product description. Maybe it's a problem with the laptop's build quality, or perhaps its battery doesn't last as long as it claims. These are the details that can make or break your laptop experience. When reading reviews, don't just skim through the star ratings. Dig into the comments, look for patterns and recurring themes. If several people are praising the laptop's screen clarity or its smooth performance, that's a good sign. On the flip side, if multiple reviews mention the same issue, such as overheating or slow responsiveness, that's a red flag. Reviews can also give you a sense of the laptop's longevity. Sure, a laptop might perform well in the first few months, but how about a year down the line? Reviews from long-term users can provide valuable insights into this aspect. Now you might be wondering, should you trust every review you read? The answer is, be discerning. Some reviews might be biased or paid for, therefore look for reviews from credible sources and take each with a grain of salt. Finally, remember that buying a laptop is not a race. Take your time. Weigh the pros and cons. Consider the good and the bad that you've learned from the reviews. Don't rush into a decision just because a laptop is on sale or because it's the latest model. Your goal is to find a laptop that will serve you well for the long haul. Remember, the best laptop for you is the one that meets your needs, falls within your budget, has the specs you desire, runs on your preferred operating system, and has good reviews. Happy laptop hunting.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to share, likes and comment.